From the sunlit surface to the darkest depths, our oceans are teeming with life and mystery. Join me, Darren Davis, as we embark on a journey to the deepest points on our planet, the ocean trenches. These enigmatic features, sculpted over millennia by the forces of plate tectonics, hold secrets to the very origins of life itself. We will encounter creatures specifically adapted to thrive in these extreme environments, many of which are still unknown to science. Our journey takes us around the globe, uncovering the unique characteristics of each trench and the importance of understanding these geological marvels. Our exploration begins in the western Pacific Ocean, home to the Mariana Trench, the deepest known point on Earth. Plunging to an astounding depth of approximately 36,000 feet, the Mariana Trench is a realm of perpetual darkness and immense pressure. At its heart lies the Challenger Deep, named after the HMS Challenger, which first sounded its depths in 1875. Imagine, if you will, Mount Everest being completely submerged with an extra mile of water above its peak. Despite the extreme conditions, life finds a way. These creatures, often bioluminescent, offer a glimpse into the resilience of life itself. Join me as we descend into this alien world, exploring the unique geological formations and encountering the extraordinary life forms that call the Mariana Trench home. Our next destination takes us to the South Pacific Ocean, where we encounter the Tonga Trench. This immense underwater chasm, stretching over 1,000 miles long and reaching depths of around 35,000 feet, is a testament to the power of plate tectonics. Here, the Pacific Plate dives beneath the Australian Plate, creating a subduction zone that fuels volcanic eruptions and earthquakes. Giant squid, some of the largest invertebrates on Earth, are believed to inhabit the depths of the Tonga Trench. These elusive creatures, shrouded in legend, are a testament to the mysteries that still lurk within our oceans. Join me as we delve into the geological forces that shape the Tonga Trench and encounter the remarkable creatures that have adapted to this extreme environment. Our journey now takes us to the Philippine Sea, where we encounter the Philippine Trench. This deep sea chasm, extending for approximately 800 miles and reaching depths of about 34,000 feet, is a product of the ongoing collision between the Eurasian and Philippine Sea plates. This collision, a powerful display of plate tectonics, is responsible for the formation of the Philippine archipelago and the frequent earthquakes that shake the region. Despite the volatile nature of this region, life persists. Unique species of fish, crustaceans, and other marine organisms have adapted to the extreme pressure and lack of sunlight found at these depths. Join me as we explore the geological forces that created the Philippine Trench and encounter the resilient life forms that call this dynamic environment home. Our exploration continues off the coast of Russia, where we encounter the Ural-Kamchatka Trench. This deep-sea canyon, stretching for over 1,500 miles and reaching depths of approximately 34,000 feet, is a key part of the Pacific Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire, a zone of intense volcanic and seismic activity, encircles the Pacific Ocean. Despite the harsh conditions, life persists in the depths of the Ural-Kamchatka Trench. Unique species of fish, some with bioluminescent properties, illuminate the darkness. These creatures have adapted to survive in an environment devoid of sunlight and under immense pressure. Join me as we explore the fiery depths of the Ural-Kamchatka Trench and encounter the remarkable creatures that have made this volatile region their home. Our journey takes us back to the South Pacific Ocean, where we encounter the Kermadec Trench. This deep sea chasm, stretching for over 600 miles and reaching depths of around 32,000 feet, marks the collision zone between the Pacific and Australian tectonic plates. The Kermadec Trench is part of a larger subduction zone known as the Kermadec-Tonga subduction zone, one of the most seismically active regions on Earth. This subduction zone is responsible for the formation of the Kermadec Islands, a chain of volcanic islands that rise from the ocean depths. Join me as we explore the depths of the Kermadec Trench, witnessing the dramatic forces of plate tectonics and encountering the unique marine life that thrives in this dynamic environment. And our exploration now takes us to the western Pacific Ocean, where we encounter the Izu-Ogasawara Trench, this deep-sea canyon stretching for over 1,800 miles and reaching depths of about 32,000 feet is a testament to the ongoing dance of Earth's tectonic plates. The Izu-Ogasawara Trench marks the boundary between the Pacific Plate and the Philippine Sea Plate. This subduction zone is responsible for the formation of the Izu Islands and the Bonin Islands, volcanic archipelagos that rise from the ocean depths. Join me as we descend into the depths of the Izu-Ogasawara Trench, exploring the fascinating geological formations and encountering the creatures that have adapted to this extreme environment. Our journey continues off the coast of Japan, where we encounter the Japan Trench. This deep-sea chasm, stretching for over 5,000 miles and reaching depths of approximately 30,000 feet, marks the point where the Pacific Plate subducts beneath the Okhotsk Plate. The Japan Trench is a site of intense seismic activity, responsible for some of the most powerful earthquakes in recorded history, including the devastating 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami. Despite the volatile nature of this region, the Japan Trench is home to a surprising array of life. Join me as we explore the depths of the Japan Trench, witnessing the power of plate tectonics and encountering the resilient life forms that call this challenging environment home. Our exploration now takes us to the Atlantic Ocean, where we encounter the Puerto Rico Trench. This deep-sea chasm, stretching for over 500 miles and reaching depths of around 28,000 feet, marks the boundary between the Caribbean Plate and the North American Plate. The Puerto Rico Trench is the deepest point in the Atlantic Ocean and is a site of significant seismic activity. Despite the potential hazards, the Puerto Rico Trench is home to a diverse ecosystem. Join me as we explore the depths of the Puerto Rico Trench, discovering the unique geological features and the remarkable creatures that inhabit this fascinating underwater world. Our journey takes us to the South Atlantic Ocean, where we encounter the South Sandwich Trench. This deep-sea chasm, stretching for over 600 miles and reaching depths of about 27,000 feet, marks the boundary between the South American Plate and the Scotia Plate. The South Sandwich Trench is a site of intense volcanic and seismic activity, home to a chain of active volcanoes known as the South Sandwich Islands. Despite the harsh conditions, the South Sandwich Trench supports a unique ecosystem. Join me as we explore the depths of the South Sandwich Trench, witnessing the raw power of volcanic activity and encountering the resilient creatures that thrive in this challenging environment. Our final destination takes us to the southeastern Pacific Ocean, where we encounter the Peru-Chile Trench, also known as the Atacama Trench. This deep-sea chasm, stretching for over 3,700 miles and reaching depths of approximately 26,000 feet, marks the point where the Nazca Plate subducts beneath the South American Plate. This subduction zone is responsible for the formation of the Andes Mountains, one of the longest mountain ranges in the world. Despite the extreme pressure and challenging conditions, life persists in the Peru-Chile Trench. Join me as we explore the depths of the Peru-Chile Trench, witnessing the geological forces that created the Andes Mountains and encountering the fascinating creatures that call this trench home. Our journey into Earth's deepest trenches has revealed a world of wonder and extremes. From the crushing pressures of the Mariana Trench to the fiery depths of the Ring of Fire, these underwater canyons showcase the power of plate tectonics and the remarkable adaptability of life. Exploring these trenches is crucial, not only for understanding the geological forces that shape our planet, but also for discovering new species and unlocking the secrets of our oceans. The journey into the deep is just beginning.